Yeah, it's a Cooper's hawk. That's because all those birds are there all the time.
Yeah.
Well, he might have something though. He might have it trapped under him. No. Maybe. Oh, there he goes in the yard.
That's pretty cool. Oh, he's having fun in it.
No, there's something in there maybe. He might have hit a bird and it went in there. Yeah, there's something in there. He's working on it. It could be a lizard too.
Yeah.
They get after all kinds of stuff. You don't get to see this very often.
No, he's right there.
He moved a little bit, so I can see better than.
He's probably making the whatever think he left. He's gonna land right back on him.
No, he's gonna take off. He's gonna go back up. Oh, there he goes.
Did reckon. Show him next time.